Houzz Pro offers Highlight Video, a premium branding feature that brings your company to life. Did you know that 72% of customers would rather learn about a company or service through video? Video is an eye-catching, engaging way for your future clients to quickly understand what your business is all about. Highlight videos are customizable. You can showcase your company name, profile photo, business description, your best project photos, reviews, badges and awards, and your contact information. Think of your highlight video as a business card in video form. It'll include a phone number where future customers can reach you. If you have call tracking enabled, which is included in every Houzz Pro subscription, you'll be provided with information about every call you receive through Houzz. So how do you get a highlight video? Your video is automatically created for you by Houzz, and you can easily edit it to make it something you love.